everything. And yes, so we are live now. Yes,
Krishna, you can start the introduction, Prabhu. I'll make you the host.
Yeah. So, Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome.
See, 5 minutes, please. People are joining. 5 minutes.
That's fine, Mataji. We are just live, so I'm just saying, yeah. So, ISKCON Mangaluru welcomes you all in this weekly online retreat as a part of निताई गौरंगा चैलेंज. आप सभी का स्वागत है ISKCON मैंगलुरु द्वारा संचालित निताई गौरांग चैलेंज के अंतर्गत साप्ताहिक रिट्रीट में. लास्ट वीक वी हैड कीर्तन रिट्रीट इन द इवनिंग. सभी 11 लैंग्वेजेस के पार्टिसिपेंट ने कीर्तन में भाग लिया था और हम सब लोगों ने सुमधुर कीर्तन का रसपान किया था. और आज हिज ग्रेस नामनिष्ठा प्रभु जी, उनके मार्गदर्शन से, उनके इंस्पिरेशन से, उनके गाइडेंस में हम सब इकट्ठे होके एक यूनिक प्रोग्राम को एंजॉय करने जा रहे हैं. दैट इज अंताक्षरी. हम सब ने कहीं ना कहीं स्कूल टाइम में, कॉलेज टाइम में यू हैव प्लेड अंताक्षरी, बट दैट इज मोस्टली ऑन द फिल्मी सॉन्ग्स. पहली बार हम आज सब, मेरे लिए तो फर्स्ट टाइम, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन दिस बिफोर. आप लोगों में से किसी ने कभी पार्टिसिपेट किया हो भगवद गीता की श्लोका अंताक्षरी में? तो मेरे लिए तो पहली बार है. एंड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैलेंज वी आर डूइंग इट. रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस आप सभी को पता है. क्विकली मैं एक बार रूल्स हैं मोटा मोटा आपको बता देता हूँ. द रूल्स आर लाइक यू कैन यूज श्लोका फ्रॉम भगवद गीता, श्रीमद भागवतम, ईशोपनिषद, नेक्टर ऑफ डिवोशन, भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु एंड उपदेशामृत. और 1 मिनट का समय मिलेगा. अल्फाबेटिकली हम जाएंगे. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ई. ई इज लाइक इंग्लिश, देन वी गो गुजराती, देन हिंदी. 9 डिफरेंट टीम्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग टुडे. 9 अलग अलग टीम है जो भाग ले रही है. सो फर्स्ट 2 राउंड्स जो चलेंगे वो ऐसे अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर में चलेंगे. And then we have the third round, and as and when we go, we'll describe rules so that you don't get confused right now. So yes, Mataji, shall we proceed? Judge team is ready now, and I'll request
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, can you make Mugdha Mataji?
Okay.
She is from Marathi volunteer. Can you make her?
Yeah, can she please raise her hand? Yes, okay.
She is already Manmohini Mataji.
Okay, all right. Yeah, she is host.
And even Sri Prada Mataji has raised her hand.
Okay, she is also co-host. Okay. Manibhushita Mataji, you are from Malayali. Yes, she is also co-host.
Prabhuji, Lalita Mataji is joining now. She's just,
okay.
She is also joined, Lalita Mataji.
Yeah, Lalita Vinodini. She'll be from Tamil.
Okay. Please raise your hand.
I have raised my hand. I'm Lalita.
Yes, Mataji. Okay, just a minute.
Co-host, please prefix your language so that it's easy for the judge to know.
Yes.
Anthākshari Mataji, please raise your Mataji. So I have one, Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, one quick question.
Yes, Mataji.
So the last word, is it the last letter or the last word? That's the first question. I mean, like, for example, if it ends in phalam, like you were saying, is it, can it start with P or M? Because phalam ends with an M sound.
Yes, it is, Mataji, the last sound that is like phalam. So then you have to start from ma. And ma, ma, mi, mu, mo, everything is okay. Right? The last syllable. Okay. So rules regulations सबको पता है. अंताक्षरी जो भी श्लोका है, suppose I start with a श्लोका जो उसका धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र, right? So उसका जो last जो है संवेता युत्सव मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत अर्जुन. So then Arjuna, no. So next team has to start from na. That can be no, that can be na, no, ni, no, whatever, right?
Okay. Thank you, Prabhu.
Yes.
Please make host and Anantara Krishna Devi Das also.
Okay. So अभी देखिए, the rules are judges. There are 3 judges: Saritha Mataji, Nityangi Mataji, and Chitra Krishna Mataji. They are the jury members, and they will take care of all the markings and timekeeping and scoring and everything. And then we have language-wise, we have coordinators. जो म्यूट एंड अनम्यूट करेंगे जब उनकी टीम का टर्न आएगा. Whenever your team's turn comes, you can choose whom you want to unmute, right? So Sri Lakshmi Mataji, Gunashri Mataji, are we good to go?
Yeah, Prabhuji. Yes. I need to co-host for, I need to unmute for English, or someone else is doing?
English language, please. If somebody else can do that, Gunashri Mataji will be occupied a little bit in this anchoring thing also. English, is there anybody from English? Hare Krishna.
Otherwise, it's okay. I'll do it, Prabhuji. I just have
Okay.
to unmute now. Whoever has raised the hand. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So fine. So we'll start. Judges, are you ready? You need to recite first shloka, and आप जो श्लोक बोलेंगे उसका last syllable से the first team English will start their shloka. So judges are ready with their first shloka.
Prabhuji, one sec, Prabhuji. Padmini Mataji, are you for Kannada or English? Because they have put two prefix, Prabhuji.
First prefix we can take, I think.
Mataji, I'm in both team actually.
No, you
No,
can't be in both
Mataji.
the teams.
Okay, I will remove from English and I will be in Kannada.
Okay, as you wish. And Antaranga Yashoda Mataji.
Hare Krishna. ഇവരാണ് നമ്മളൊപ്പം ഗുരുവരം ശശിമാ
Okay.
Antarangi Mataji, remove.
Huh?
Antarangi Mataji is also Malayalam and English, I think.
Yeah, so today she'll be participating in which one? English or
Yeah.
Malayalam Mataji, Malayalam and to devotees government.
Okay, Mataji. Okay. And Pooja Mataji, Marathi, co-host. Okay. Okay, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah,
Yes,
just
Mataji,
to avoid
yeah, prefix.
confusion. Yeah, okay.
Yes,
Hare
yes, I put it Marathi first. Yes.
Acha, okay, Mataji. Okay, done.
Yeah.
I think I'll start with Mangalacharan. Meanwhile, the judges can be ready with their first shloka, which will give the cue. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji.
One more thing. So we have not added the third round, I think, Prabhu.
Third round we have already added, but we will explain the rules as and when it comes, because otherwise people get confused right now. So first we'll play the 2 rounds and the third round we'll explain.
Fine.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, one small request. Can you just tell everybody to prefix their names with their language?
Yes, everybody who wants to participate, they have to prefix their name, their language's name. Like if you are from Tamil, you have to write TAM. If there is no prefix, then we won't be, you won't be allowed to speak on behalf of languages, right? So we are good to go now. I'll start with Mangalacharan. Meanwhile, I will request judges to be ready with their first shloka, which will give the cue to the English team, and they will start the competition. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Padkamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavascha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagan Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitascha He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dinabandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Krupa Sindhubhe Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। आप सब मेरे साथ 2 हाथ खड़े करके बोलेंगे, विल चैंट हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा। वेलकम एवरीबॉडी. सो यस, वी आर रेडी टू स्टार्ट. We are ready to start with
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna. Thank you everybody. So yes, our judges are ready, and we are
Hare
ready for the
Krishna.
queue. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Vote.
Hare Krishna. Welcome every one of you for this Shloka Anthākshari. So wish you all the best, and I hope everyone enjoys this. So first Shloka. Manmana bhava madbhaktaha madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvaivam atmanam madparayanaha. Now,
Here your time
now
starts.
is the first.
English team, you have to raise your hands.
Hare Krishna. Namah Pankajanaಭಾಯ Namah Pankajamaline Namah Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangrahe.
Haribol.
The next word is Ya. For the next team, Ya.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, first call the language, later.
Mataji, I have put it in the chat, Mataji, and I have unmuted.
नास्ति बुद्धिर्युक्तस्य न चाहितस्य भावना न च भावयतः शान्तिरशान्तिर्स्य कुतः सुखम्.
Hare Krishna, 1 second. Actually, that was supposed to, second was Gujarati, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
But now
Second
Hindi,
is
Hindi
Gujarati.
said, but Hindi responded now. So, what would be the order? Because then it will be confusing. Every time it has to be the
English,
same order.
Hindi, Kannada.
Yeah, English, after English, Gujarati.
After English is Gujarati, no?
Yes,
Judges,
Mataji. I
better
would
is
request.
So third is, yeah.
Hare Krishna. Please wait for our instructions. Tamil people, you are not supposed to raise hand now. Tea comes very later on. So please don't raise your hand.
Yeah, Parth Prabhu, you can just tell the language one by one.
Yeah.
Huh? Once
Yeah,
we complete,
languages
which is the
will.
next
If
language.
you speak language name, that's easy to understand.
Right.
Yeah.
So, yes,
Nice.
Mataji. English completed with the shloka. What is the last letter? Judges, please.
Prabhuji, one more announcement.
Yeah.
People who have joined now, please either put the language which you are supposed to join, you are planning to join. Two languages is confusing.
Right. Mataji, we won't
Jyotishwari
explain.
Mataji, Jyoti Lakshmi Mataji, are you participating for Kannada or English?
Mataji, we won't ask now what whoever has joined is now, and if they are disqualified now, if they don't have the names, because we cannot wait for each and every time two people have this confusion.
Okay,
Right?
Prabhuji. Okay.
Yes, sorry, Mataji, but I think we'll go like that only, right? Yes.
Yes,
So,
continue now.
judges, please advise us. What was the last word
Yeah.
from the English?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji, we can hear you.
Yeah, it is yeah.
Ya. Okay, the ya is the last syllable. So next is Gujarati team. So only people from Gujarati team will raise their hand, and then Dipeshwari Mataji will ask someone to unmute. Only Gujarati people will raise their hand. Yes, Dipeshwari Mataji, you can unmute from whoever has raised hand from Gujarati language.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Anand Sagar Prabhu, please unmute yourself.
Yes. Bhagavad Gita 4.7. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Okay.
Hari Bol.
So judges, the last letter is
Ma.
Ma. Okay. So next team in line is Hindi. So only devotees from Hindi language will raise their hands.
Your time starts now.
Your time starts now. Hindi language. And who is the Hindi language leader who will unmute?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Atre Mataji. Ma. Please.
Matra sparsastu kanteyo sitoshno sukha dukkada agama payino nittastang titikshasya bharata. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.
So next team is Kannada.
Kannada.
Time starts now.
This Netram Mataji is there. Kannada.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Tadvidhi pranipratena praniprashneena sevaya upadyakshanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshinaha.
Hari Bol.
Malyalam. The word
Yes.
is na.
Word is na, and next team is Malyalam.
Malayalam.
Sorry, Mataji, I couldn't get the first word. What did you say? Was the
Didn't hear it. Hear me?
Mataji.
what was it?
Ma.
Huh? Na. No, it was. Okay.
Ma Mataji. Ma to
Ma.
Marathi.
It was ma, not na. Ma.
Sorry, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Ma to Marathi.
Marathi language leader.
No,
Please.
Malayalam lost, right? Malayalam lost.
Malayalam no, Mataji. Marathi
Yes,
mo.
Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, your time is now, Marathi.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Judges are in line. Judges are in alignment with what's happening, right?
Mataji,
Yeah.
Kumud Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, I think there was confusion. Somebody else spoke. Was it Malayali person spoke? I'm not sure.
Hare
Who
Krishna.
spoke, Mataji?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna from Marathi, Kumud Mataji.
Hare Krishna, 11.55. Mad karma krun mad paramaha, mad bhakta sangha varjitaha, nirvaira sarva bhuteshu, yasamameti pandava. Hare Krishna.
Hari bol.
So the word is va. Va for Vamandev, and the next team is Tamil. So only people from Tamil team will raise their hands. Devotees from Tamil team, you can raise your hands.
Your time starts now.
Your
From
time
right
starts now.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshyase mahim tasmad uttishta kaunteya yudhya tasmad uttishta kaunteya yudhaya krita nishchayah.
Judges, are we? Yeah, just a minute. Judges, yeah.
It was va actually.
The word is va for Vamandeva.
Va, no?
Yeah,
No,
va
the
is
start
Vamandeva.
was
I said Vamandeva. Va.
Oh.
Yeah.
Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya. Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
I'm unable to continue.
Mataji,
Yeah.
that's like completed, no, Mataji? In Telugu. Now it's Tulu, no?
No,
Yes,
no.
once
No,
anything
Mataji.
is
We are
see,
still at
one-
Tamil. We are still at Tamil.
Tamil.
No, Tamil
Judges,
is done now.
judges,
Tamil
please
is done.
advise. Judges, please advise. Shall we give them full marks?
The same word va goes to Telugu now.
Yeah.
Telugu.
Tamil have lost.
Tamil not finished, no, yet.
No. Once the chance is given, once the chance is given, it's done.
Yeah, now
Yes, once
the same
chance is
letter
given,
goes to
it's
Telugu.
Too many people talking, can't hear only. Too many people talking, so we are not able to get. Let one person.
Okay. Let me just brief it up. So once the chance is given, whether it's right or wrong, when we are here, when the Path Prabhu is telling which language, which letter, which language, we should be clear. Okay. So once it is given, if anything is gone wrong, then it's a foul. It will go to the next. If you get stuck in middle also, then also it will go
So
to the
make
next
it clear
team.
now.
Okay?
Tamil is over. Telugu will take up. I mean, if you can say that, we will not.
Yes. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Telugu now.
Hare Krishna,
Which letter?
Telugu, one question, Mataji. If they stop in the middle, can we unmute the next person and they can complete it? If we still
No,
have...
Mataji. No. One person who has raised the hand and given the chance, they have to complete only.
Okay, go ahead. Thank you.
The letter is va. Va is Vamandev. Va.
Go to Telugu.
Tamil, Telugu now.
Please unmute one person, Mataji. Srila Mataji from Telugu.
Your turn. So,
వ్యవసాయాత్మికా బుద్ధిః ఏకేహ కురు నందన బహుశాఖాహ్యనంతాచ్చ బుద్ధయో వ్యవసాయినాం.
Hari bol. Yes, the next letter is ma to Telugu.
No, Mataji.
Ma.
M.
M for Malyalam, and the team is Tulu. Only devotees from Tulu language, please raise your hand. Only devotees from Tulu language.
Here your time starts now.
Hare Krishna. Mama Vamsha Jivaloke Jivabhuta Sanatana Manasashtani Indriyani Prakriti Sthani Kaushati. Hare Krishna.
Hari bol.
Okay, here completes the first round of our this thing. So we have judges have the mark sheet with them. So now we will start with the second round. So what was the last letter of Tulu?
That is ta.
Ta, right? T-H-A, ta. So English, your timer starts now. Nityangi Mataji.
Yes,
Once they start the verse, your timer should start, like once the end, your timer should start like that. Okay, English, ta. Unmute.
Sharmila Mataji.
Yeah. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam enamamupayanti te.
Again, the last letter is ta. Only devotees from Gujarati language. Only Gujarati people will raise their hand. And Deepeshwari Mataji, please unmute one person from your team. Ta.
Your time starts now, Gujarati team.
Please unmute somebody.
Hare Krishna. Tesa aham samudharta mrityu sansara sagarat bhavami na chirat partha maya visachetasam.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Ma.
Ma.
Now M. Ma. For Hindi.
Hindi team, only devotees from Hindi language.
Hindi language, your time starts now.
Hare Krishna. Minal Tiwari Mataji. Please. Ma.
Quick.
Time is moving.
They're not unmuting. Unmute somebody else.
Hare Krishna. Atre Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Atre Mataji.
Chayo vabhichareno bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samati taitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Yes. Kannada. Ta.
Ta for Kannada. Kannada team.
Kannada team, your time starts now.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Tam tata krupaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam vishadidantam idam vakyam uvacha madhusudanaha.
No.
No.
No. Hari Bol.
Na for Malyalam. Malayalam devotees, please raise your hand. Malayalam team.
Malayalam team, your time starts now.
Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani kesava na cha shreyo na pashyami hatva sajana maghave.
Hari Bol. Yes.
Letter
Va. Va. Next word is Va.
Va. Vamanadev Va. And team is Marathi. Marathi devotees, please raise your hand.
Marathi team, your time starts now.
Yes, you can unmute somebody.
Yeah,
Marathi team.
Kshitija Mataji, Hare Krishna. Kshitija Mataji, Hare Krishna. Please unmute yourself. Hare Krishna, Kshitija Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Time is moving.
Hare Krishna. I'm not. Teshamevanukampartham ahamadnyanajam tamaha nashayamya atma bhavasto jnanadipena bhasvata.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Sorry, you lost Mataji because the word was Va.
Mataji, ta, no?
Yeah, it was.
Va.
It was Va.
That's why I said you should be very clear in hearing. It was Va. Okay. So be very attentive while telling, because if you lose, it's gone. That's it. Okay, Marathi lost the point. Okay, next.
Tamil.
Va only. Tamil.
The
Va.
word Va to
Again
Tamil.
Va.
Vamanadev Va. Va for Vamanadev.
Again.
Tamil, anybody can say, no? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Just unmute.
Yes,
Yes.
You have unmuted, yeah. I'll say the same thing. Vasam sijirna niyata vihaya
Okay.
navan grannati
So this.
narani. Is it wrong?
Yeah, so one shloka cannot be repeated. That is the rule.
But they didn't say no. I only started that Vasam Siya. I could not complete it.
Okay, you tell quickly, Mataji. Tell.
Sijirnani yata vihaya navani grannati naroparani tata sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi.
Mataji, time is up.
Mataji, what should I do?
But you asked me to repeat, so I repeated. Hare Krishna.
Okay, you can give the marks. You can give the marks. Yeah, you can
Hari Bol.
consider. Okay.
Hari Bol, Mataji.
Maybe 1 mark for that because it's a continuation. Okay. Yes. What was the last letter, Mataji?
Ha. The Ha. Word
Ha.
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 Yeah.
So Telugu.
Ha is for
Heart.
Telugu now.
Heart or head.
Telugu Ha word. Ha
Telugu
letter.
team, your time starts now.
3D permit.
2.37 हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भक्षसे महीं तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
Hari Bol.
Again Ha.
Nischaya.
Nischayah.
Yeah, Mataji.
Yeah.
Nischaya. Yeah.
Nishchayaha. Okay.
Yeah, for Yayati. Yeah.
Yes. Tulu,
Yeah.
right now.
Tulu team,
Tulu.
your time starts now.
तुलू रेस मल पहले फटाफट. Yes. Asha Mataji, Hare Krishna.
इदामन्युश्च विक्रान्ता उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वा एव महारथः.
Hare Krishna. Mataji,
Haribol. So we complete the second round.
Shloka.
Maharatha. Yes, ma'am.
The ta, word ta. So should we continue this or no? The final round, no?
Partha Prabhu will give the
Srila
rule for the
Srimad.
third round.
Yes, 2 rounds are
Okay,
completed.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yeah. Okay.
Please,
So
please,
2
Mataji,
rounds are
please.
completed. Still half an hour is there. I will brief it about third round. Third is the final round. That's what we have thought now. So third round is like judges will give a word. Okay. Kindly mute everyone. Okay. So judges will give you a word, and anybody from, it's not like team wise. Whoever raises their hand first will get the chance. Kindly mute yourselves. Okay. So whoever raises their hand will get the chance first. Okay. We'll come to know who raised the hand first. Kumud Mataji, you can't do that. You have to lower your hands. Okay.
And can we have a score before that? We go into the third round. Can we have a score from judges?
Yes. Sarita Mataji can just screen share. Okay, if you are not put over there.
If you can't screen share,
you're
then
muted.
Mataji. Yeah.
You're muted.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, 1 minute. Actually, I was noting down here in the book.
Okay, you can just tell it also. It's not an issue. You can just tell English what marks and all.
Okay.
So
English actually both the rounds it scored 2-2. Okay, both the rounds. And Gujarati also. Okay, won the total means let me put it here, Mataji. No, it will be 4, right? Okay. English is
Mataji clearly.
So English is 4, Gujarati is 4.
Gujarati 4, Hindi is 4, Kannada is 4, and Malyalam is 2, Marathi is 2, Tamil is 2, Telugu 4, Tulu 4.
Okay.
Haribol.
Haribol.
So these are the marks. So now what we are going to do is judges will give you a word, not letter, a word. And that word should be there in the shloka which you are going to recite. It may be in the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, whatever it is, it's up to you. But that word or that phrase, we won't give a sentence to you. It's a phrase which will be given, a Sanskrit phrase that should be there in your shloka. Now, Mataji can just give an example how it will go. So,
can I do that, Mataji?
One example you can give, Mataji, to them.
Hare Krishna. Tvanantam. By chance, if you are not able to make it up, then the phrase can be given. Brahma Saukyam Tvanantam. Then the verse is...
Yeah, that is the last chance.
Yes.
When everybody, nobody can understand, then we can give them Tvanantam. So, that word should be there in your shloka. That's it. Okay, that may be in other shloka also. Multiple shlokas will be. Now, dharma is in many shlokas. So, you can tell any of them. Okay. इवन हिंदी वालों को मैं फिर से हिंदी में बताती हूँ. माता जी आपको एक कोई भी जजेस जो है टर्न लेंगे. पहले चित्रा माता जी, फिर सरिता माता जी, फिर नित्यांगी माता जी, ऐसे जाएंगे हम. फिर से चित्रा, सरिता, नित्यांगी. सो इन दैट वे विल गो. सो वो एक एक वर्ड देंगे आपको और वो वर्ड आपके श्लोका में होना चाहिए. तो जो लैंग्वेज, ऐसा नहीं कि हम अभी लैंग्वेज वाइज जाएंगे, जो हैंड रेस करेगा, जिस लैंग्वेज वाला हैंड रेस करेगा वो लैंग्वेज को मार्क्स जाएगा. 2 marks. Okay, and if the shloka is wrong, then you won't get the marks. It's 0. No 1, no minus, nothing. 0 mark उस लैंग्वेज को मिलेगा. Then the word will go, a new word will come on that base. Is everything clear? Anybody has any doubt with this?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Can I quickly translate it to Telugu just in case there are people that don't know English?
Okay. Yeah,
And
quickly in one sentence.
1 minute I will just tell the Telugu people. Hare Krishna, మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ ఈ నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ లో ఒక మాట చెప్తారు, ఏదో ఒక పదం జడ్జెస్, ఆ పదం ఉన్న శ్లోకాన్ని మనం ఎంచుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఉదాహరణకి ఫలం అని అంటే ఆ ఫలం అనే పదం ఉన్న శ్లోకం చెప్పాలి. అది మీరు హ్యాండ్స్ రైజ్ చేయొచ్చు ఎవరికి తెలిస్తే వాళ్ళు. హరే కృష్ణ. హరే
Okay.
కృష్ణ.
Any other language wants to translate?
Yes,
Mataji, there is a question in the chat,
Tulu.
Yes, Mataji, I can translate. ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ದಾದೆ ಪಂಡೆ ಅಗುಲಂಜಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೆರಿತ್ತೆ ಫಲಂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಧರ್ಮಕೊಂಡ ದವ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾದೆ ಪಂಡ ಪತ್ರಂ ಪುಷ್ಪಂ ಫಲಂ ತೋಯ ಮಂಚ ಅವು ಅಗುಲ್ ಕೊರ್ನೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಡತೆ ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ ಓಲ 4 ಶ್ಲೋಕೋಡು ಒಯ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋಡು ಪಂಡಿರ್ತೆ ಕೌಂತೆಯ ಪಂಡೆಡ ಕೌಂತೆಯ ವರ್ಡ್ ಐತೆ ಬರೋಡವೆ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಣತೆ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.
Okay, Gujarati wants to go next quickly.
Hare
I think
Krishna.
everybody is able to.
Hare Krishna. Ha. Okay, Mataji. Everybody understand.
They understood, right?
Mataji, I have
Is
one
there-
question. Yes, Mataji. I have one question. If जो लैंग्वेज का टर्न है वो नहीं बोलेंगे तो इज इज पास टू अनदर लैंग्वेज और
No, ये लैंग्वेज वाइज नहीं है माता जी. ये जो हैंड रेस करेगा वो लैंग्वेज को मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि इंग्लिश जाएगा फिर गुजराती, ऐसा नहीं. गुजराती वाले पहले जाएंगे तो उनको मिलेगा चांस, मराठी वाले पहले जाएंगे तो उनको मिलेगा चांस, ऐसा.
ओके ठीक है.
Okay.
Mataji, I have to make that point. I didn't tell them. So 1 second, Mataji. Anybody can raise a hand, right? If they know the word.
Yes.
సో తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా సరే మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఇది లాంగ్వేజ్ వైజ్ గా అడగడం లేదు. సో మీరు పదం వినగానే మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలిస్తే వెంటనే హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయండి. ఎవరు ముందు హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఛాన్స్. అది ఓకే. హరే కృష్ణ.
जो हैंड रेस करेगा उसको पहला चांस मिलेगा इसमें. And ऐसा if you tell wrong then your language will be 0. Remember that. Okay.
Hare
So
Krishna Mataji,
once
Pranam. Who is going to unmute the participants?
I'll do
I can do that. I can
Yeah, so
unmute them.
co-hosts you are not going to unmute, please.
No, I will do that. I or Parth Prabhu will do it.
Okay.
Yes. So
Or
maybe we
judges can do it.
Yeah.
Mataji,
we
other
will do
languages also they can explain.
Which language wants an
Kannada.
explanation?
Kannada wants anyone can in Kannada.
No, if they understand Hindi, then it's good. If they don't, any other language wants.
Mataji.
ಕನ್ನಡ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಜಿ. ಅಮಿತಾ
ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಜಿ. ರೂಪ ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ವೈಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಯಾವ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ.
There is one request from my side. Please, other language volunteers, you have co-host right? So please don't unmute by yourself. Me or Sri Lakshmi Mataji will tell whom to unmute.
If you unmute by yourself, we won't consider it. Now only we are telling you.
सब co-host से विनती है कि वो लोग जो co-host volunteers हैं, प्लीज आप इस राउंड में अनम्यूट नहीं करेंगे किसी को. यहाँ से मैं या श्री लक्ष्मी माता जी जिसको अनम्यूट करेंगे वही बोलेगा, है ना. तो उससे पहले अगर आप बोलेंगे तो आपका टर्न चला जाएगा. Yes, we are all set. We are on the same page. Hare Krishna.
And once the word is given, we'll give you to raise your hand. Whoever raises, we will give them chance. Then again, all the hands will be lowered. Everybody will be muted. Again, another word will be given. So similar process will happen. Okay, that's the thing. So yes, we will start now.
So judges are ready with their first keyword.
Yes, Chitra Mataji, please don't raise your hands now.
अभी से क्या हैंड रेज कर रहे हैं आप? आपको पता है कौन सा वर्ड है? प्लीज डोंट रेज योर हैंड नाउ.
Shrija Mataji, don't raise. Okay?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Purusham Param. Hare Krishna. Purusham Param.
Gujarati.
Yes.
Anand Prada.
Anand Prada Mataji.
Quickly unmute.
Mataji, are you unmuting her or I should?
I'm giving her.
Please.
She's not unmuting. Okay, then we'll give to next one.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes.
Anand
Hare
Prada
Krishna.
Mataji, you are unmuted now. Yes.
Purusham Param.
Yes, Mataji. Purusham Param.
You cannot search now. Quickly. Yes, start.
So, okay, you are gone now, Mataji. I think we should not give more time. Next in line is
Harapriya Mataji.
Anand Sagar, or who is that?
Harapriya Mataji. Yes, unmute कीजिए Mataji. Quickly, fast.
Mataji, two words must be there, or one word is okay?
Two words.
Both Purusham Param, both should be there. Mataji, it's
You
actually
have?
one phrase, Purusham Param together, not two different words. Purusham Param.
Yes,
Okay,
Mataji, I think
Anand Sagar.
Anand Sagar Govindas.
Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita 10.12 Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhamam Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum. Hare Krishna.
Judges?
No.
I think no.
No, it is wrong.
They have to be together. I said Purusham Param is
Purusham
like a
Param.
phrase.
You
Single
have
word.
the shloka, you can tell Mataji. Chitra Mataji, you can reveal the shloka.
Now this, one minute. Now this word has gone. Now no more hand raise, please.
This is no more.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
You
three
can
times, na? 3 times.
Yes, Mataji. 2.3.10 Akama Sarva Kamo Va Moksha Kamo Udaradhi Tirvena Bhakti Yogena Yajante Purusham Param. Hare Krishna.
Hari bol.
Okay, so I think
the
this
next
is
word.
Yeah, this one is 0 for everybody, right?
Yes, 0 for all. This was the first chance, so 0 for all. Yes.
Okay.
Next.
The next word. The
Sarita
next word.
Mataji.
So everyone be attentive. You all know this. Suprasidati. Hare Krishna.
Suprasidati. Okay. Radhika Vrindavaneshwari Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण सवै पुंसां परो धर्मो यथा भक्तिर् अधोक्षजे अहैतुकी अप्रतिहता ययात्मा सुप्रसीदति.
Hari bol.
Hari bol.
Very well. Yes, please lower the hands. Please lower the hands now. Judges, please give us a breather. So, okay, now everything is cleared. Everybody is muted. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can have.
Once again, Parth
Nityangi
Prabhu.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, please.
Like the first 2 rounds I gave 2. So here, how much should I give for?
2 only for a right
marks.
one.
2 marks.
2 only. Okay,
Yeah.
all the rounds.
Okay.
Okay.
Nityangi Mataji.
Hare
The
Krishna.
word.
Yes. Here my punch word goes to Pravakshami Yajñatva.
Once again, Mataji, if you can repeat.
Pravakshami Yajñatva.
Okay.
Pravakshami Yajñatva.
Only one hand is raised.
Very great words.
Yes.
Okay.
Vipin Vilas Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Patram puspam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham pratyupratam just. No, इसमें नहीं आता है. Sorry.
No.
Can you tell again, Mataji, the word?
Pravakshami Yajñatva. Pravakshami Yajñatva.
Okay,
next.
we'll go to Telugu Srila Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Param bhuyah pravakshami jnananam jnanam uttamam yajñatva muniyah sarve param siddhim.
No, Mataji.
1 minute is done.
Okay, so yeah, time is up now. So we don't.
1 minute is wrong, so I will rang Mataji.
Okay. Anybody else wants to try, but you won't get the
No,
marks.
Mataji. Yeah, there will be no marking on this. If anybody wants to. Yeah.
No marking, but if you want to try, you can try. Anybody? Those who have searched in Veda base. Sumangala Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. 4.16. Kim karma kim akarmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajnatva mokshase shubhat. Hare Krishna.
Was it?
Yes.
Haribol. But unfortunately, you won't get the marks.
There won't be any marks for this. Okay.
Okay.
So everybody now, please lower your
Mataji.
hands. Yeah, just a minute. Everybody lower your hands, please. Yeah, clear the counter. Everybody is muted. No reactions. Please, now don't give any reactions. Okay.
Nityangi Mataji, ready with the counter, this thing, timer. Okay. Yes, Chitra
Darshina
Mataji.
Darshinaha.
Darshinaha. Darshinaha.
Darshinaha.
Yes.
Time starts.
Yeah, time starts. Okay. Harapriya Mataji. Mute yourself. I'll give 3 times.
It's one line.
You can't search.
No. Now you raise your
After
hand and you
raising
can't
hand,
search.
you can't
Yeah,
search.
please.
Sunila Mataji. Malayali.
तद्विद्ये प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Malayalam gets 2 marks. Okay. We'll
Please lower your
hand.
hands. Everybody lower your hands. Just a minute before we move forward. Lower your hands, lower your hands, lower your hands. Okay.
Okay. Next, Sarita Mataji.
Yeah. So this word is Tivrena. Hare Krishna.
Yes, yeah.
Tivrena.
Okay, Malayalam Sunila Mataji. Or Sunila Mataji is there. Or Diptimati. Who is this? Okay. Diptimati Mataji, 1 minute. Sunila Mataji was there. I don't know. Okay, Sunila Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण. अकामः सर्वकामो वा मोक्षकामा उदारति तीव्रेण भक्तियोगेन यजेत पुरुषः परम्.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol.
Is it repetition, Mataji?
No.
Repetition?
Yes, Mataji.
No.
No,
This is
Mataji.
not it.
No.
No.
Judges will take care of that.
Judges,
So, yeah.
Judges will take care. Next, Nityangi Mataji.
Just a minute. Everybody lower down your hands. Mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Mataji, please.
Hare Krishna. Here the punch word is Janma Vivasvataha.
Janma Vivasvataha.
Janma Vivasvataha.
Janma Vivasvataha.
जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम एवं यो वेत्ति.
No. Janma Vivasvataha. That's a word.
Okay. The next is Ashita Shah, or who is that?
Amarendra Kumar, right?
Yeah.
Amarendra Kumar.
जन्मादस्य यतोन्यन्व्याधि त्रतस् चार्थस्व अभिज्ञा स्वराग तेने ब्रह्मजाय
No.
Okay,
Stop,
the
stop.
time is up. Time is up. So.
Time up, Prabhu. It's wrong. So.
Okay, so please lower your hands. And now no more marking on this. If anybody wants to try without getting points.
Yeah, I don't want points, Prabhuji. I just wanted to say the shloka.
Yes, please, Mataji.
Chapter 4, verse 4, Arjuna says, Aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvataha katametat vijaniyam tvamado proktavaniti. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Very nice, Mataji. Thank you. So everybody lower your hands, mute yourself, no more reactions. And now judges, are we ready with the next word?
Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Sarvananam. Hare Krishna. Sarvananam.
Sarva?
Charvananam. Charvananam.
Charvananam.
Charvananam cha. Okay.
Charvananam.
Yes. Who is that? Setu Lakshmi. Or who was that? Radhika Mataji, I think. First one.
But then she lowered her hand or something. I can't see her hand raised.
It came. Just I think. Yeah, Radhika Mataji. Unmute. He's not unmuting.
Here, yes.
Okay,
Hare Krishna
Swabhakti
Mataji.
Priya.
Can I was not able to unmute.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Matin Krishne Parata Svato
पितोऽपि पत्येत् सुगोहमेदिनाम् अदान्तगोपी त्रिविशतात् मिश्रम् पुनः पुनश्चर्वितचर्वणान् कृष्ण.
Hari Bol.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Hare
Judges,
Krishna.
are we good with this?
This is which
Yes,
language?
Prabhu.
No, Gujarati, is it? Gujarati.
Gujarati. Yes.
Yes.
Gujarati gets a point.
So I'll just say, as of now, English has got 2 points, Malayalam got 4 points, Gujarati got 2 points.
Okay.
In the third round.
Yeah. We have time now, so we'll continue. Judges have enough
One more
keywords?
word. Yes, we have.
Yes, Prabhu.
So the next word, Uttama Shloka. Uttama Shloka.
Okay.
Swarnangi.
Swarnangi.
Dividas.
Starts.
Yes, unmute quickly. Once you raise your hand, if you don't unmute, we will take it as a foul.
This is from 9.4.20. Pado Hare Kshetra Padam Sarpane Sise Rishike Sapada Vivandane Kamam Chadasye Natu Kama Kamyaya Yat Uttama Sloka San Janasraya Ratihi. 9.4.20. Hare Krishna.
Okay, actually this was from Mother Shloka, but still we can give because this is the right Shloka.
One more Uttarasul also. One more.
It's okay,
No.
Mataji.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah.
It's
Please,
okay. It's okay.
yeah, please lower your hands. Please lower your hands. Mute yourselves.
Unmute yourselves.
And just a minute. Mute. Okay. Judges, are we ready with the next keyword?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Yes. Nityangi Mataji. Punch.
Yes. Here the punch word. Amrutatvam ashnute. Amrutatvam ashnute.
Search before raising your hands.
Rajeshwari Mataji, Telugu.
प्रभुजी ब्रह्मणो हि प्रतिष्ठाहम् अमृतस्य व्ययस्य च शाश्वतस्य च धर्मस्य सुखैकान्तिकस्य च.
No.
Judges, is it?
No.
No.
Okay, we'll go to next. Bharati Mataji.
Tulu Bharati.
Hare Krishna. Sambhutim vinasham cha yastadvedo ubhayam saha vinashena mrityum tirtha sambhutyam amritamashnute.
No.
Okay, the time is up, so now no more answers. Judges, are we good with this?
No.
Nityangi Mataji, this was wrong, right?
Right.
Wrong.
So nobody gets the point. Anybody wants to try without points?
I'll give one hint.
Okay.
Shloka is from Ishopanishad.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Then maybe we have to down the hands and again give the chance.
No, Mata. Okay. Mataji, we
Okay,
won't
we
get.
can-
Time is up, so we won't get any point for this. Anybody wants to try without marks?
Without marks. Okay.
Yeah, because we also given hint. We have given
You
enough
can
time.
raise your hands now. Those who know, but you won't get the points. Lata Shashi Kumar Mataji.
Hare Krishna, it is there in Bhagavad Gita also. Deyam yat pravakshyami yajnatva amrutamashnute anadi mat parabrahma nasat tanna saduchyate.
Judges?
Yes, satisfied?
Not fully, Mataji. Because Amruta Ashnute is there. My word is Amruta Tattvam Ashnute.
Okay,
sorry.
Yeah, judges are very. Our judges are very tough taskmaster, tough nuts to crack.
Oh,
So
okay.
won't give.
This one, we can take this one. Why? Because I'll tell the shloka. Vidyam cha yastva vedo bhayam saha avidyaya mrutyum tirtva vidyaya amritam ashnute. That you can take, Prabhu. Yes, you
Okay.
can.
So anyways, nobody gets the marks for this.
No
So
marks
yeah.
there.
So please lower your hands, mute yourselves till we get ready for the next keyword. Okay. So judges, are we ready with the next keyword?
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Param Vrajet. Param Vrajet. Hare Krishna.
The word is Param Vrajet. Yes, Malyalam. Sunila. Mataji, Sunila Shri.
Krishna.
कलेर्दोषनिधे राजन् अस्ति एको महान् गुणः तीव्रे हस्ति एको महान् गुणः कीर्तनादेव कृष्णस्य यजेतं परं कीर्तनादेव कृष्णस्य मुक्तसङ्गः परं व्रजेत्.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol.
Yes,
So
Hari
yes, Hari Bol.
Yeah. So the next word, lebhe gatim. Lebhe gatim.
Lebhe gatim. The word is lebhe gatim.
Swarnangi Mataji.
अहो बकिं स्तनकालकूटं जिङ्गांसयापाय यदप्यसाध्वी लेभे गतिं धात्री उचितां ततोऽन्यो कं वा दयालु शरणं व्रजेम.
Hari Bol. So nice.
Hari Bol. Hare
Judges, are we good with this? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you. Okay. So
Again,
please
Nityang.
lower your hands, mute yourselves till we get ready for the next keyword.
Nityangi Mataji. Punch.
Hare Krishna. It's very simple one. Anyone can try. Bahuvaktra netram.
What is it?
Couldn't hear.
Bahuvaktra netram.
Can't hear at all, Mataji. Can you please put it in the chat?
Bahuvaktra netram. Bahuvaktra netram.
No, I got it. Yeah.
Bahuvaktra netram.
Bahuvaktra netram.
Gujarati. Ashita Shah. Quick. You can't search. Okay, Tanu Pradeep.
अनेकवक्त्रनयनम् अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेक दिव्याभरणम् दिव्यानेकोद्यतायुतम्.
Is it?
No.
Wrong.
रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादं बहुधरं बहुद्रंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोका प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्. Bhagavad Gita 11.23.
This is from Vishwarupa Darshan Yoga. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Is the right answer?
Do we get the marks?
Right, Mataji, right.
Okay.
Okay. Malayalam gets the marks.
No. This was from Gujarati.
No, Gujarati. Okay. Sorry. Okay, Gujarati.
Yeah. Please lower your hands. Everybody, please lower your hands. Lower your hands, please. Yeah. Mute yourself.
Gujarati
Lower
is
your
leading.
hands.
Gujarati is leading with 8 points. And second place is Malayalam with 6 points. English with 2. What about other language? Please participate.
Tough competition.
Mataji, yeah. So next, we are ready with the next keyword.
Sarita Mataji, right? Yes.
Me? Okay. Janasya moho. Janasya moho.
Chitra Mataji is there.
Okay, sorry.
Previous line. You change your...
Okay.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
You cannot
Mataji.
use that, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Narayana Smriti.
Narayana Smriti. The keyword is Narayana Smriti. Narayana Smriti.
Uma Kulkarni Mataji.
Kannada.
Hare Krishna. एतावान् साङ्ख्ययोगाभ्यां स्वधर्मा परिनिष्ठया जन्मलाभा परपुंसाम् अन्ते नारायण स्मृतिः.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Kannada got a point. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Yes, please lower your hands. And how much time do we have, Mataji? 6:51. So how long we go on?
Till 55 we will go. Maybe this one round we'll finish. Sarita Mataji and Nityangi Mataji. Then we'll finish.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Give a tough one.
Yes. Yeah. So the word is Swargapavarga. Swargapavarga.
Swargapavarga.
Yeah, English.
Radhika Mataji.
The word is Swargapavarga. Yeah.
Narayana para sarvena kutashana bibyati swarga apavarga narakeshu api tulyartha darshinah.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Yes.
Hari Bol. Yes.
Okay. Nityangi Mataji, last punch.
Hare Krishna. Tvidametesham. Tvidametesham.
Tvidametesham. Tvidametesham.
1 minute.
Yes.
Vipin Vilas Prabhuji.
We have
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। भक्ति परेशानुभव अन्यत्र चैस त्रिक एक कालः चैस एक कालः then I forget.
Lipsa Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Tension, exam tension.
Okay, it's Lipsa Mataji. Quick.
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं तुदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितं.
Haribol.
English.
Haribol.
Okay.
Haribol.
English get the
Last
marks.
punch got. Yes, English gets the marks.
Haribol. Yes.
Okay,
Now
so
there is
now
a tie between English and Malayalam. English and Malayalam, there is a tie. we need one more
I
round.
never thought this.
There will be
Okay,
one
so
more
now,
round then.
okay, so now what we will do? Quick
Only they
5
will
minutes.
participate, no, Mataji?
Yes, they will only participate. English
So-
and Malayalam, right?
Yeah.
So, what we will do is we will recognize 2 people from English and 2 people from Malayalam. Only they can unmute. Others cannot.
Okay.
So, who are 2 people coming forward from English? Can raise their hand. Quick. 2 people who are confident enough that whatever word will come, I will be able to tell. And
Just
Malayalam,
give a try. Anyone.
yeah, just give a try. This is a tie. So, you will be either in first place or second place, not an issue. But
Yes.
English,
No, second or third.
Malayalam.
First already, Gujarati is leading already in first.
Oh, Gujarati is leading. Okay.
Yeah.
Till then, you can fill up the Excel form, Mataji. Excel
I'm
sheet
doing
we
that.
can just show
So
it.
overall scores, we are going overall scores, or this is for the tiebreaker is for the second round? I didn't get you.
Tiebreaker now between 2 languages, Prabhu. So there are
Yeah.
3 languages who are leading.
Uh-huh.
Gujarati with 8,
Uh-huh.
and Malayalam with 6, and English with 6. So
Okay.
Malayalam and English.
Okay, so tiebreaker only Malayalam and English, and maybe we can ask language leader to nominate their 2 people. So maybe they
Yes.
want to send
This
their
is
best
only
people.
this round, okay? I'm not talking about the total score. This is only this round they are leading like this. Total
Okay.
we have to see.
Okay. So Mataji, do we need a tiebreaker for this if this is for only this round?
Okay. Okay. Then let me
Tiebreaker
see.
will come in the picture if we are talking about the final results.
Okay.
You can totally
Right?
Fine. Then I'll
Yeah.
total it up.
Yeah. So we can have total score of 3 rounds, and then we see what are the final numbers, and if required, then we'll go for the tiebreaker. If I'm not
Okay,
mistaken. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't need a tiebreaker.
Yeah. So we start from the final one, the lowest one. If you have 3 people, 3 teams.
Yeah.
So first you announce the score for the third ranked team, then second, and then first. Right?
Okay. So any guesses? Who has scored the third? Who is in the third place? Anyone can guess?
Third place.
Third place, which language? Should I say the top 3 first?
Okay, you can say, yeah, regardless the 1 to
Only
3
the language.
position. Yeah, you can say the
So let
3.
them guess the position.
Yeah.
So the 3 languages in the top 3 positions are Malayalam, Gujarati, English.
Malayalam is third.
Okay. What is the guess? What is the third position? Which language? Hey, you can all unmute and you can shout. Third position. You will get prasad or blessings of Radha Govind.
Malayalam.
Okay, Malayalam gets the third prize. Hari bol.
Hari bol.
Hari.
Muna place. Huh? Right?
Yeah, Murne place.
Yes.
Okay, the second place goes to the English department. Hari bol.
Hari Hari.
Hari bol.
Haribol.
And the third place, the winners of today's competition, Gujarati team. Hari Hari. With 12 marks. 12, 2 marks leading. Hari bol. Thank you everyone for
and the winner of this
Thank
competition
you.
is Team Radha Govinda.
Hari Hari.
Hari
Oh,
Yeah.
Hari Bol.
So
So,
yes,
yeah, Hare Krishna.
in fact, I'm more than glad to announce that we have finished this in time, before 1 hour. We were
After
very,
a lot of things.
we were in the stress that how long it will go and how will it flow. But we are glad everybody played with we were not playing in the Tamoguna or Rajoguna to win the competition. Whoever comes in the third, second, or first place doesn't matter, because we are doing it to glorify Krishna, glorify Radha Govinda, glorify the Nityananda and Mahaprabhu challenge. So
Yes.
as we say in the
Hare
Karma Yoga, Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. So whatever the result is, whatever the numbers are, we all practiced really hard in this last 1 week or 2 weeks. So in the process, we won by itself. So yes,
Yes.
judges, you want to share any expert comments or any observation you want to make? Judges, Sarita Mataji,
Hare
Nityangi
Krishna.
Mataji, Chitra Mahit. Yes,
Prabhuji,
Mataji.
I think all of them are experts already, whoever are here or scholarly in all the departments. And also whoever have not participated also, it's like, you get tensed when you come on the camera. Otherwise, I think all of our devotees are wonderful here. And yes, everybody have done very nicely, all very nice pronunciation, and everything was perfect. And Hari Bol to everyone. Thanks for your enthusiastic participation. Hare
Hari Bol.
Krishna.
Hari Bol. Thank you, Mataji. Sarita Mataji was one of the judges, and they were working really hard. I don't know how hard you worked, but judges and admin team, it was very stressful for them also. We all were
Because it was
nervous.
everything came in the last moment, because judges were never in my mind. So last moment we required 3 judges and everything. So it was a very, very hectic thing. But still,
Yes.
I really thank to all of 3 of you, because coming to the last moment and helping us with the words and everything. So
Yes.
thank you so much.
Yes, Nityangi Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Also,
Yeah.
Mataji,
see,
one thing I just
yes.
wanted to mention, like, thanks for the opportunity for the Seva.
Hari Bol.
Thank you.
Hari Bol, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Yes. Nityangi Mataji, Nityangi. Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, the Radha Govinda team. So this was wonderful, that Shloka session which I attended till now. Means it was entertained one. Like we were all happy and we are searching. We don't know the shlokas. You were in front of me. Even book is there. Book is also there. So सब लोग देख के भी सर्च करके भी श्लोका बोल रहे हैं.
Because this was
ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी लोग टेंस्ड है. टेंस्ड इसलिए है कि वो सर्च कर रहे हैं. नहीं है कि
yes,
वो
you could find out that.
याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Multitasking is going on, so many things.
Because I was really scared, because this was the first time, doing a shloka. Till now we have done songs, kirtan, everything I have tried last time. But this shloka I was scared more than anything, because ये गड़बड़ ना हो जाए, last में ये पता चले कि कोई श्लोका नहीं बोल पा रहा है, then everything is gone. So but still, Krishna has given us, we have done all these 5-6 years, whatever the course you have gone through, it's coming out today, as a shlokas, whatever. Yeah, we should thank our teachers who taught us all these things, all Bhakti Shastri, Bhakti Vaibhav level 3 levels, really we should thank them.
Hari Bol.
Because they were
Yes.
behind us with a stick.
I
Submit
literally
क्यों नहीं
saw
किया shloka?
some people.
they were
There were some iconic players for them, which the languages were fighting. Hey, you write a name Kannada, not English. Yeah, you are in Kannada, you're not in English. You are in Hindi, you're not in Gujarati. So it was great to see such kind of competition to please Radha Govinda. Yes.
So
Our third
next
judge.
week,
Third judge
before
for the
that,
evening.
before people leave, I'll just tell next week is drama, and day after next also is the drama. So 2 weeks will be drama. So please come. Yes. Chitra Mataji, Hare Krishna.
So one request to Sri Lakshmi Mataji, that Please continue this one. Really entertaining.
I want help of language leaders. I want volunteers for this.
Yes, at least we turn some pages of Bhagavad Gita, no? Otherwise, we'll stick to only that page which we are reading.
Yes.
We all enjoyed very.
In fact, I know what gonna happen. Like speaking about Gujarati team, they're asking us to organize such events in the local level, matlab in intra language competition. So now onus is on the central team. Onus is on the central team if they can have multiple competitions in a year. Otherwise, we'll have to organize among our language itself. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I think we can meet every month, Prabhuji. Once in a month at least we should meet. It's a nice bonding we have between the languages.
Correct, Mataji. So maybe 1 month we can have Kirtan, another month we can have Shloka, Anthākshari, 1 month we can have drama, something like this.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, once a month at least.
Last time it happened so that devotees, there were classes, lectures, and people were very disappointed because there is no translation. It's very difficult to translate in 10 languages at the same time. So this time we were thinking that there should not be translation and something really should come out that all the languages should participate together. And by Krishna's mercy, something has come out good. So we would like that, you have common programs in your language, right? Kindly come together in those common programs. Weekly common programs are there, I hope so, right? So come together in those weekly programs. Don't depend on your language leader every time to get something. They are also behind, so many things. So you can volunteer, like, how Mataji's now judges, they volunteer, came out. So similarly, you yourself can volunteer or you can tell your language leaders, you don't worry, I will conduct this. That will be a great help for language leaders also. So in this way, you will be connected to your language leaders. At the same time, you'll be volunteering and Krishna's mercy will flow in some beautiful ideas. Yes, Hare Krishna. So yes, any participants also want to give some realizations or something while preparing
Chitra
this?
Mataji is yet to talk. Chitra Mataji.
Oh, okay. Chitra Mataji.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Yes,
Chitra Mataji. Yes.
I think she's not there.
Chitra Mataji, Hare Krishna, can you?
I can't see her, Mataji.
She left the meeting. No, she's there. She's there. Chitra Krishna Sevini Mataji. But she is not co-host. I think that's the Mataji.
I can't see her. Okay.
Okay, then we will give it to the people who are raised the hand. Meera Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. The session was very nicely. The thing I want to tell is I had participated in many Anthāksharis in songs or whatever from the childhood. It was like when I heard the word, I thought in Shloka how they will do Anthākshari. It's not such easy like that. But I saw more enthusiastic than normal Anthākshari. The people, they are doing very well in the Anthākshari. I was very happy that Krishna words, we at least in this 1 hour, we are into the Bhagavad Gita words. Very overwhelmed. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol, and Radha Govinda Temple, Mangaluru. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, thank you so much for everyone for organizing such a very nice event actually. So I would like to thank His Grace Namanishta Das Prabhu, because always in Bhagavatam class he used to give like verse, word, keyword and recite. So by hearing and by participating in that, actually everyone has to, because of that only it was an advantageous for us, but still we have to work a lot actually. And as Mataji rightly says that in our whatever level 2, 3 or reading class particularly, in that we have to implement that one, and we have to encourage people to learn the slokas, and by these keywords, that is also very wonderful. And it's a really like man mana bhava, how much time we are thinking about Krishna, by word also we can remember his words or saying. So this is really Sri Radha Govinda will definitely please from effort of everyone. Thank you so much once again. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, pranams to everybody. Nice to see you, Padma. Nicely conducted this quiz. I congratulate all the judges. They are very, very accommodative also. Nicely conducted. No room for given to any complaints or this thing. I wish that one more thing what happened. So two times before I could raise another 5 hands were there. So I was not getting Prabhuji. So
You are getting older,
like Prabhuji, Madhav. I
Ah.
tried that Purusha Bharpa. Before I raised another two hands were there, and this this another Tadvid Pranipatena Pariprasna Seva. Darshana is something they have given. There also I missed the opportunity. So anyhow, it's a great challenge, but participation is more important, and I wish that many more such competitions to be given. Yeah, and add to what I want to say is that in the Bhagavatam classes, one or two our Prabhujis on at times they ask us reference in Bhagavad, what is the Bhagavad Gita? What says? So we used to search and we used to tell them also that this way how we can memorize also. So youngsters will get the benefit. Nice, thank you, brother. Thank you all the judges. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Surya Prakash Rao Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. How are you?
Surya Prakash Rao Prabhu is my youngest friend in Mangaluru congregation. And
Nice. Really, आपका दर्शन हो गया मेरे बहुत खुशी हो गया.
Hari bol, Hari bol.
Sorry, I don't know the judges much. Okay, very nice, Prabhu. I once again thanks everybody, the team and all that.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.
All goes to Srila
Thanks
Prabhupada.
for giving opportunity to talk to you. Hare
Yes.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Because of this competition, we feel full NND Prabhuji's ड्रीम्स बार बार कहते हैं वो कि स्ट्रगल करो. क्या स्ट्रगल करो? श्लोक सीखने का, श्लोक हर रोज एक श्लोक कंठस्थ करो. उनका बहुत उनका ड्रीम है कि आप सभी श्लोका क्यों नहीं करते हो. तो इससे हम लोग सब श्लोका कंठस्थ करने लगे. और ये 15-20 दिन से हम सब गुजराती टीम बहुत जैसे हम श्लोका कर रहे थे, तो उसका फल भी मिल गया हमको. हरे कृष्णा. बहुत धन्यवाद सभी का. बहुत धन्यवाद. हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna. Maybe we'll take one or two realizations and then we'll conclude.
Done last.
Yeah. No new more hand raises, please. Yes. Shiva Kumar.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Today I am something feeling very bad, but this blissful moment made me how much bliss will be there in Golaka Vrindavana. That reminded me. Thank you, Prabhuji. Very nice, encouraging program, Prabhuji.
Very good.
That's what the goal is. Hare Krishna. Yes, Kulvati Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा. आज फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ कि मतलब कोई भी क्लास स्टार्ट हुआ और कुछ भी स्टार्ट हुआ, उसके बाद मैं मोबाइल रख के गई नहीं. पहली बार ऐसा हुआ, मोबाइल हाथ में ही है और मैं सर्च कर रही हूँ. उससे पहले तो कोई ना कोई श्लोक बोल ही देता है. थैंक यू फॉर
Maybe the last.
Yeah. Sumangala Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat pranams to all Matajis and Prabhujis. This is the first time from the beginning till the end. All our faces were so bright and very happy. We all were very happy. Though, despite winning or losing, we never mind such things. And we were very happy when the other party was winning. And as Krishna says, Matra Sparshastu Kaunteya. There is no point in winning or losing. We are all happy, like Vasudeva Kutumbakam. All of the same members of the family. We are so happy in seeing others winning, and it is so nice competition. And we are looking for such more competitions in future also. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. So maybe I'll also like to conclude with one shloka. What we do get, why we are doing this competition. I was just talking with Sri Lakshmi Mataji and Gunashri Mataji. What is the ultimate goal of this 30-day challenge? So we have this, experts may say that this is from Chaturshloki Gita. Madchita Madgat Prana Bodhayanta Parasparam. kathayantascha mam nityam, tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So what we get, Shiva Biradar Prabhu right now, he said that he was feeling very low and he's not keeping well. But because of this session, he, उनको बहुत मजा आया. So ultimately क्या कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस का, हरिनाम संकीर्तन का, चैतन्य महाप्रभु का मूवमेंट जो है, श्री प्रभुपाद का जो मिशन है, हिज होलिनेस जयप्रताप गोस्वामी जी गुरु महाराज ने जो ये ऑनलाइन कोर्स लॉन्च किया है, एंड हिज ग्रेस नामनिष्ठा प्रभु के थ्रू हम डेली हम मिलते हैं तो क्या करते हैं. सो वन थिंग इज देयर, तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. So we get the association of the devotee and we feel, like about enlightening one and conversing one. And ये सब करके हमको क्या मिलता है? Great satisfaction and bliss. So yes, thank you very much everybody. Sri Lakshmi Mataji, she is working day and night. Gunashri Mataji and Sri Lakshmi Mataji, hats off to them for coming up with new programs, new challenges, new activities. And on behalf of all the languages, judges and other languages, we would definitely request you to arrange such programs more frequently, more often, and we'll definitely try to, contribute in whatever manner we can. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you for always being there. Whenever there is need of co-host, there is need of host, is always there, very enthusiastic. I think entire Gujarati team has become like very enthusiastic because of Prabhu, and we need such more devotees. Yes, and a special thanks to, actually, to be honest, this came because of NND Prabhu's Bhagavatam only, like Vipin Vilas Prabhu said. Prabhu used to give one shloka and it was almost like Anthākshari only. When you see and all Matajis are overlapping and telling one shlokas, it's nice to hear, how enthusiastically they are. They are searching. When Prabhu tells, okay, they are searching immediately within seconds, they'll tell the answers. So I thought, okay, let's do the Anthākshari kind of thing, and Gunashri Mataji created all the rules and regulations, all of that, and somehow we structured it, and again it was revising, and even today, last moment also we had a meeting how to do this, and there was changes, there was this word and all. Third round was complete chaos because I didn't plan it. So these judges came for a rescue for me. Actually, they came, they did this everything. So I really, really thank all this backend team which is there, and all of you for staying till now. Saturdays are weekends. You people want to rest, all of that. But still, in this time, you all are coming and giving your best performance. It was a really success. That devotees are pleased. The success is that when devotee is pleased. So if devotees are pleased, that means Krishna is pleased. So this is the only thing. And thank you so much, Gunashri Mataji. Thank you so much for you also, because without her, I think I can't manage all this all alone. So she is my, always there for me. Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Krishna all.
Hare Krishna. Next time.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Congratulations to all participants who are here.
Hare Krishna.
So Sarita Mataji, you can just share that thing. I'll share it in the group also.
Yes, Mataji, share
the last final thing. Okay.
So before we conclude, we all together will chant Harinam once more. So please unmute yourself, switch on your cameras, and Vancha Kalpataru Bescha Kripa Sindhu Evacha. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Thank you very much, everybody, for participating. Yes, Gunwanti Mataji, you are here. Gunashri Mataji, you want to speak something before we conclude? Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you for everybody. I think together as a team we can do lots, and Namanishradas Prabhuji is making so many efforts. So we all put up part of efforts. I think we can come strong. I think we are already strong, but I think he has many plans for us. So let us all join together and live up to his expectations. Yeah.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna to everybody. See you.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Dhanyawad.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. See you everyone
Hare
in
Krishna
the
Prabhu.
next weekend.
Dhanyawad.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Hare
Sabhi ko Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Take
next
over.
weekend
Yeah.
it is on a Friday, not on a Saturday.
Correct. So
Yeah.
next we are meeting on Friday 20th February. 20 फरवरी Friday को शाम को मिल रहे हैं ड्रामा के लिए. Right?
Oh.
So next 2
Same
weeks
link.
we are having on the same link. The posters and
Yes.
details will be shared with you.
Same link.
Yeah. So we'll be having 4 team performing drama, 15 minutes each. So definitely something else to enjoy. And Tushyan teacher, Raman teacher, one more attempt to please Krishna, Guru and Gauranga. Thank you everybody. Thank you for joining. Hare Krishna everybody.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Rama. Hare Rama.